What's up, everybody? Sean Profera here, back from Macpapers and Packaging. We're jumping on this wagon of ink types, and we're continuing with dye sublimation ink today. What is dye sublimation? Dye sublimation is typically the process of taking a water-based ink with a dye pigment, printing it on a transfer type coated paper, and then using heat to then turn that ink into a gas and transferring that to a polyester-based product, whether it's a fabric or a substrate. Typically, what's this really good for? The applications are pretty versatile. It usually lends to different types of fabrics. So we're talking about soft signage, we're talking about sports apparel, and even home decor. We get some really cool high color pop, deep rich blacks, and all kinds of different types of materials that we can print on or transfer to. So if you want to know a little bit more about dye sublimation, please call in and check in with one of our dye sub specialists at macpapers. We can help you figure out if this is a good fit for what your offering is. 844 Mac Wide. Catch you later.